A pleasant day to all of you, Ma'am Georgeline and classmates. I am Rosemary G. Perez, and allow me to present and discuss my topic entitled The Use of Manipulatives for Mathematics. Learning objectives. At the end of the discussion, students are expected to first define what is manipulative materials, second, understand why use manipulative materials in teaching mathematics, third, how should learning using manipulative materials be evaluated for mathematics, and lastly, reflect what are the different types of manipulatives for mathematics teaching and learning. What is manipulative materials for mathematics? So, manipulative materials are objects or tools used in mathematics teaching and learning. It is used in mathematics to teach in abstract concepts, more concrete, tangible, and understandable. So, they can be used to help students visualize and manipulate mathematical ideas, develop problem solving skills, and deepen their understanding of mathematical concepts. So, here are some examples or the 9 examples of manipulative materials used in mathematics in education. The first one example is the counters. Counters is a small object such as the blocks or chips used for counting, sorting, and making patterns. The second one is the base 10 blocks. So, it's the physical objects presenting ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, used to help students understand and the base 10 system and place value. The third one is the geometric shapes. So, geometric shapes it is the objects like triangles, circles, and squares used to teach geometric concepts like area, perimeter, and the volume. The fourth one is the number line. So, the number lines is a visual presentation of numbers placed along a straight line and used to teach numbers, sense, addition, subtraction, and more. Fifth one is the fraction tiles. So, fraction tiles it is the manipulative tools that help students learn about fraction by presenting them as part of a whole. And next one is the Cuisinart rods. So, Cuisinart rods, it is the color wooden rods of different length used to teach various math concepts such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and fraction. The seventh one is the pattern blocks. Pattern blocks, it is the colorful shapes that can be used to create patterns, teach geometry, and explore geometry. And the eighth one is the algebra tiles. So we are all know about the algebra tiles, and algebra tiles is we can saw it in our mathematics laboratory. So to define algebra tiles, it is the manipulative tools used to teach algebra concepts such as factoring, multiplying, and dividing polynomials, and also solving equations. And we have the last one, the protractors and compasses. So the protractors and compasses tools used in geometry to measure angles, draw shapes, and make constructions. So by using manipulative materials in mathematics through education, it can help students develop a deeper understanding of math concepts, make connections between abstracts and concrete ideas, and it can engage students in a way of hands-on learning activities that make mathematics fun and meaningful. Why use manipulative materials in teaching mathematics? So, using manipulative materials in teaching mathematics has a several benefits for students, and here are the 6 some reasons why manipulative materials are used in mathematics education. So first, it helps students to make abstract concept more concrete, and it means many mathematical concepts can be difficult for students to understand because they are abstract, and manipulative materials can be used to make this concept more concrete and easier to visualize. So the second one is it encourages active learning. So it means manipulative materials can provide a hands-on, interactive approach to learning mathematics. So this encourages students to become an active participants in their learning and engage with mathematical concept in a meaningful way. The third one is develop problem solving skills. So it means manipulative materials can be used, no, to help students develop problem solving skills. They can be used to solve real world problems, explore mathematical relationships, and develop critical thinking skills. And the fourth one is the engages multiple senses. So it means by using manipulative materials, students can engage multiple senses, no, including the touch, the sight, and sometimes even sounds. This helps to reinforce concepts and make learning more memorable. The fifth one increases motivation and engagement. So it means manipulative materials can make mathematics more fun and engaging for students. So this can increase motivation, improve attitudes towards mathematics, and ultimately lead to better learning outcomes. And the sixth one is supports differentiated instruction. So by using manipulative materials can be used to differentiate instructions for students, no, with a different learning styles and abilities. It can be used to provide struggling students or challenge advanced learners. How should learning using manipulative materials be evaluated for mathematics? Evaluating learning using manipulative materials in mathematics can be done in several ways. So here are some methods for evaluating learning using manipulative materials in mathematics. So first, we have the observations. So observing students as they work with manipulative materials can be provide an insight into their level of understanding and ability to apply mathematical concept. Observation can be used to identify misconceptions and areas where additional support may be needed. The second one is the assessments. So assessment can be used to evaluate learning using manipulative materials. So this could include tests or quizzes that ask students to apply mathematical concept, no, using manipulative materials. So next one is the projects and presentation. So projects and presentation, it means students can be asked to create a project or a presentation that demonstrate their understanding of mathematical concept learning using manipulative materials. For example, they could create a model or a visual representation of a math concept. So the next is the reflection and self-assessments. So students can be asked to reflect on their learning using manipulative materials and assess their own understanding of mathematical concept. So this could be done through journaling, self-assessments, or class discussion.